Now let's move on to question number 2. Let's read it, what it says. Find a unit vector perpendicular to each of the vector a plus b and a minus b, where a is given as a is equal to 3i cap plus 2j cap plus 2k cap. B vector is given as I cap plus 2j cap then minus 2k cap. So here two vectors are given, A and B vector, and we have to find a unit vector perpendicular to each of the vectors a plus b and a minus b. So let us find a plus b first. So a plus b is given by, just add 3 plus 1 is 4i cap, 2 plus 2 is 4j cap, 2 minus 2 is 0. So forget it. Now let us do a minus b vector. So a minus b vector will be 3 minus 1, that is 2i cap. 2 minus 2 goes out. 2 minus of minus 2, it becomes 4k cap. Clear? Now we have to find a unit vector perpendicular to these two vectors. Okay? So now first thing, what we learned in cross product is, suppose we have a vector like this. Suppose this one is a vector, right? And we have another vector b vector in this direction. Clear? And the angle between them is theta. Okay? Now if you have to find a vector which is perpendicular to both of them, okay, a unit vector which is perpendicular to both of them, we do what? We do cross product, right? So if I do cross product of a and b, I will get a vector, a unit vector which is perpendicular to both a and b, right? So it is equal to what? A b sine theta, and here is our unit vector. Am I clear? Okay, so let's do the cross product. Now one thing, I will not do the cross product of a and b, I will do the cross product of a plus b and a minus b. So let's do it. So a plus b vector cross a minus b vector is equal to, how much is it? We have already done this one. I cap, j cap, k cap. What are the coefficients? 4, 4, 0. Now we have 2, 0, 4. Clear? So let's find out. First I cap goes 4 into 4 is 16, right? Then we have minus j cap. This one goes 4 into 4 again 16. Then we have plus k cap. K cap will be how much? 4 into 0 is 0, minus 4 into 2, that is 8. So it will be minus 8. So it will be 16i cap minus 16j cap minus 8k cap. So this is a vector which we got, which is perpendicular to both a and b, right? Now we have to find the unit vector. Suppose if I have a vector a, can you tell me how to find the unit vector of this vector? How to find? So unit vector is expressed as what? A cap, and that is given by what? A vector divided by magnitude of a. This is how we get, right? Because any vector is given by what? The magnitude multiplied with the unit vector, right? Now magnitude goes down, so a vector divided by the magnitude gives you the unit vector, right? So therefore the required unit vector is equal to what? First thing you write the vector 16i cap minus 16j cap minus 8k cap divided by root over of 16 square plus minus 16 whole square is also 16 square plus 8 square, right? Now I can take 8 common from the numerator, so it becomes what? 2i cap minus 2j cap minus k cap. Right? Now what about the denominator? In the denominator, again I can take 8 out, right? If I take 8 out from here, so what do we have in here? Can you tell me? It will be 2 square plus 2 square plus 1. So this one goes, and 2 square plus 2 square plus 1. So 4 plus 4 plus 1 is what? 9. And square root of 9 is 1 by 3. So it is 1 by 3 2i cap minus 2j cap minus k cap. This is the unit vector which is perpendicular to a plus b and a minus b.